This how to claim your ZBNB finance airdrop. First, we copy the link URL from ZBNB. Then you open your Trust Wallet application. Open the apps. Then paste your link ZBNB. It will show the ZBNB application. Here, the ZBNB application. To claim the airdrop, we try to find the feature airdrop. Nah, this claim airdrop 2,500,000 ZBNB. Don't forget to change your coverage from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain. To get an airdrop, we get the gas fee. Usually less than $1. If agree like this, then we approve. Here we have claimed the airdrop. In another video, I show you to show the airdrop.